Hey everyone! In this video, we'll explain how to fix weak call volume or low volume during calls in 3 very simple steps. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's get started. The first step, my friend, is to go to your phone's settings. Then go to Apps and Notifications and tap on it. Next, tap on App Info. Here, you'll find 3 small dots at the top. Tap on them. After that, you'll find System View. Tap on System View, and all your phone's system apps will appear. The one we're interested in is the Call Management app. You'll find it as shown below. Tap on it. Then, tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your calls, numbers, or anything else. We'll just reset the Call Management app to its default settings. That's the first step, my friend. After that, go back and tap on Battery. After tapping on Battery, you'll find Power Saving Exceptions if you have the Power Saving feature enabled in the app. In Call Management, if you have Power Saving Exceptions enabled in the Call Management app, it might be causing a problem by automatically lowering the volume to conserve battery. To fix this, tap on Power Saving Exceptions, find the Call Management app, and enable the feature. Go back and tap on Battery again. You'll see it listed as Not Excluded. Now, for the final step, tap on Settings, then Volume. Ensure all volume settings are set to maximum. Restart your phone after these steps, and hopefully, the problem will be resolved.